Hello students, let's start our new chapter Profit and Loss. Ram's mom and dad have given him two brand new watches. Ram is on the way to the market to sell the watches. Then Ram's dad asked him to sell the watches for a profit, not a loss. What did he mean by profit and loss? Let's find out. Suppose you spend certain money to purchase a toy. The price at which you buy a toy is called its cost price. Now you decide to sell the toy for certain amount of money. The price at which you sell the toy is called its selling price. When the selling price of a toy is more than its cost price, it means you get more money than you spend on the toy. And the difference between two prices is called profit. However, when the cost price of the item is more than its selling price, then the difference between two prices is called loss. And we will represent cost price with CP and selling price with SP. Now let's see whether Ram sell both watches on a profit or a loss. The price tag on his dad's watch shows rupees 1000 and on his mom's watch shows rupees 1500. What do we call these prices? Yes, cost price is correct. The price with which we buy something is called its cost price. Hope Ram earned a good profit on the watches. Ram is back from the market. He seems he has sold the watches at a good price. He said he sells his dad's watch at rupees 1500. Did he earn a profit? Yes, he did. Because selling price is greater than cost price. Now let's find out how much he earned profit. For this we will subtract cost price from selling price. Here cost price is 1000 and selling price is 1500. After subtracting we will get 500. It means he earned a profit of rupees 500. Ram still has his mom's watch with him. He didn't sell his mom's watch because he says shopkeeper is offering him rupees 900 to selling this watch due to some defect in the watch. The cost price of this watch is rupees 1500. If Ram would sell the watch, would he earn a profit? No, he wouldn't, because here cost price is greater than selling price. Ram will make a loss if he sell the watch. Let's find out loss if he would sell the watch. For this we will subtract selling price from cost price. After subtracting 900 from 1500 we will get 600. So he would make a loss of rupees 600 if he sold the watch. So he decided not to sell. Let's sum up. For calculating profit, we will subtract cost price from selling price, and for calculating loss, we will subtract selling price from cost price. And if we want to calculate profit in percentage, for this, first of all, we will multiply profit by 100, then we will divide it by cost price. Similarly, if we want to calculate loss percentage, we will multiply loss by 100, then we will divide it by cost price. I hope you are clear with this concept. Thank you and keep learning.